Hey everyone, welcome back to T-Bones Tech. In today's video, we are going over the best Black Friday deals on cameras for 2021. Alright, so first off here, we have the Canon SL3. This is a 24 megapixel APS-C size sensor with Canon's dual pixel autofocus, which is incredible for filmmaking. It can record 4K and it can also record 1080p at 30 frames per second. And Amazon is selling this kit for $50 off with the Canon 18 to 55mm STM lens. So pretty decent deal right there. The next thing we have here is the GoPro Hero 9. So this isn't the brand new 10, this is the 9, but it is $50 off. And this is the GoPro with the screen for only $350. It can record 4K and even 5K video. Really great camera for only $350 to make a very good Christmas gift. All right, next up here we have the Canon EOS M50. This is a very small and lightweight and compact camera that's going to take much better videos and photos than your iPhone is, but it's not going to take up too much more space than that. It's a great camera for beginners who are looking to get into photography. Really good, and Amazon has this with the kit lens for only $550. I'm going to leave a link in the description down below to this camera and every camera that I talked about, and those links will be affiliate, so definitely make sure to check those out. Next up we have here is kind of a more intermediate camera. It's not really quite that good of a deal. This deal's on the Canon T8i, and Amazon has this with the kit lens for $900. This is a really good intermediate setup. This is a great camera for people who are experienced in photography but want to step up their game from something like a Canon SL3 or SL2 or maybe even a Canon T6i. This is going to be a big upgrade. And again, Amazon has this kit for only $900. All right, so next up we have here is the Olympus EM5 Mark III. This is a really good camera, and it comes with the 14 to 150mm f4 to f5.6 lens. It's going to be very versatile, so you can get wide shots or very telephoto shots at the same time, and they have this for only $1,100. That's $700 off the MSRP, so it's a really good deal here on the Olympus EM5. All right, so next up we're going to get into some of the more expensive cameras. This deal is off the Canon EOS RP for only $1,200, and it comes with the kit 24 to 105mm lens, not the L lens, it is just the regular lens, but it's still a very good lens and a full frame camera with a really good lens for only $1,200. You really can't go wrong with that price. It can film 4K video and of course take some really great full frame stills with its huge sensor. Alright, and next up we have here is the Canon EOS R, the original Canon EOS R with the screen here up at the top, and Canon has this for the body only for only $1,600. This is definitely a pretty good deal right now considering the chip shortage, which is driving the prices of basically everything up along with inflation as well. So if you're wondering why there's some worse deals this year than there is last year, it's because of that chip shortage. So definitely kind of keep an eye on that. You're just not going to get quite as good deals this year as you did last year. But again, considering the market right now, $1,600 for the Canon EOS R is definitely a very good deal. All right, so last up we have here is a little compact Sony camera. It is the Sony ZV-1. This is a really great camera that is a very small form factor, and Amazon has this for $150 off. This also will make a great webcam, so if you're in a lot of Zoom meetings or something like that, this will really help increase your quality of those meetings. It has a really good microphone on them as well, and it's going to make a great vlog camera for those of you vloggers out there. And again, Amazon has this for only $650, so definitely a really good price on this as well. Well, that's all I got for you guys in this video. Happy Thanksgiving to everyone who celebrates it. I hope you guys have a great day, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give me a big thumbs up down below, and of course, make sure to subscribe button, and then you'll be notified every single time I put a brand new video just like this one to my YouTube channel. Again, thank you all so much for watching, and I'll catch you all in the next one.